So, stress-free gardening. I don't like to stress out. I've talked to you about these things before on Life with Larry. Um, I tend to move things around the yard often, like every weekend we move things. I found this geranium, and it was getting too much sun. It was burning up, so I had stuck it right here in a hole just so that I could repot it later on, do something with it. Wandering around the garden, I found this and it's doing fabulous. So I'm going to take it and move it to another location so that we can enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it for the family Christmas Eve, and hopefully it will bloom. Clean out some of the leaves and the weeds. And that's our stress-free gardening. You just take these plants, stick them in a pot, give them a little bit of love, tuck them aside. If they don't like too much sun, tuck them aside into a little spot and then come back and visit them again later. All right. Love you guys. Merry Christmas.